Welcome to DIY Saturday. For today's project, I wanted to show you how to update a clipboard and make it your own. For this project, I used a clipboard, some school-related scrapbook paper, Mod Podge, a foam brush, and an X-Acto knife. Add the paper where you want it placed on the clipboard. Add some Mod Podge to the bottom and work your way up. Once you have it secured, add a coat on top to protect the paper. Allow the paper to dry and trim the excess. Place on your child's desk and it is ready for use. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.